Imagine a world where education is a privilege, not a right. A world where one political decisions can open doors of opportunities or slam them shut forever. Today, we explore how political decisions shaped education funding, who win, who lose, and what it means for the future of society. For historical revolutions in education to today's student debate crisis. This story is about all of us. Meet Maria, a first generation college student in US. Maria dreamed of becoming a teacher, but today she burned under $80,000 in student loan. Her story is not unique. It's the story of millions who struggle to chase their dreams as education funding. Maria's story is shaped by political decisions, rising tuition fees, shrinking grants, and debates about loan forgiveness. But who made these decisions and why? In a small village in India, Raj teach science to 50 students with just one textbook. Despite promise of reform under the new education policy, schools like Raj still face server resource shortage. While some schools receive world-class funding and others like Raj are left behind. This disparity reveals the political priorities of those in power. In the early 19th century, education was a luxury reserved for the wealthy. But in 1837, Horace Mann fought to create the first public school funded by taxes. His vision, an education system that empowers every child regardless of wealth. This heavy historic decisions transformed America into an education powerhouse. But even then, debates regard about taxes and budget, echoing today's controversy. In the 1950s, the Cold War sparked a race, not just for space, but for minds. This US government poured billions into science and education, creating programs that produced some of the world's brightest minds. But what happened when this funding is cut? Today, Finland is celebrated for his education system. Why? Because its leader prioritized funding education over military spending. Meanwhile, countries like the US and India struggle with underfunded schools and skyrocketing student debates. As we speak, education policies are being debated worldwide. The student loan crisis in the US, the rollout of NEP in India, and the global struggle for equitable education. The stakes never been higher. Education has always been the key to progress. But progress is only possible when government prioritizes funding over politics. It's time we demand better, because the future of millions depend on it. So, what will you do? Share this video, start a conversation, and remember, education funding is not just a political issue, it's a human issue.